You use it every single day. It holds your veggies, your meats, your family dinners. But what if I told you that this simple kitchen item, your wooden cutting board, could be hiding a serious health risk? A silent threat growing right under your fingertips every time you slice, dice, and chop. Sounds alarming? Well, it should be. Because today, we're not just going to clean a cutting board, we're going to uncover something most people never realize until it's too late. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos that could literally protect your health. Wooden cutting boards, let's be honest, they're gorgeous. They add that rustic, natural touch to your kitchen. Unlike plastic, they don't scar easily, they don't look cheap. But behind that charming wooden surface lies something far more sinister. Over time, tiny grooves from your knife cuts collect food particles. Moisture settles in. Raw meat juices seep deep into the wood's fibers. And that's where it starts. The slow, invisible growth of bacteria. Sounds dramatic? Maybe, but it's real. And if you've ever wondered why your board starts to smell or develop dark stains, this is exactly why. Here's the part most people don't think about. Wooden boards are porous. That means every time you cut into them, you create an entry point for bacteria. Especially if you're chopping raw chicken or fish. Those juices don't just sit on the surface. They get absorbed. And what do bacteria need to thrive? Warmth, moisture, and time. A dirty board left overnight? That's a bacteria buffet. Over time, this doesn't just affect your board. It can affect your health. Cross-contamination is one of the leading causes of foodborne illnesses in home kitchens. And the scariest part? Most people never see it coming. Okay, breathe. The good news is, saving your board is completely possible. You just need to follow a simple, science-backed routine. Let's start right after you're done cooking. Don't leave it sitting. Step 1. Wipe down your board immediately with a damp cloth to remove leftover food. Step 2. Wash it by hand with warm, soapy water. And no, never put it in the dishwasher. The heat and water pressure will warp the wood and cause it to crack. Once washed, here's where most people stop. But you're not most people. Take some white vinegar and spray it over the surface. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant that kills bacteria without damaging your board. Let it sit for a minute, then wipe it off. For deeper cleaning and deodorizing, here's a trick that feels almost magical. Cut a lemon in half, sprinkle coarse salt on the board, and rub the lemon all over it. The salt scrubs. The lemon sanitizes. Together, they erase odors and grime like nothing else. And here's the final step, the one that gives your board its glow back. Oiling. Use a clean cloth to rub food-grade mineral oil into the wood. This keeps it from drying out and cracking, and creates a barrier against moisture. Now that you've revived your board, how do you keep it that way? First, never soak it in water. Wood and water are not best friends. Store your board upright or on its edge to let it air dry completely. And remember to re-oil it about once a month. It's like skincare for your cutting board. Nourish it, and it'll last you for years. Made for Women, where we share kitchen hacks, time-saving tips, and cleaning motivation every single week. It's all completely free. Just click the link in the description to get started. So now you know. It's a surface that demands respect, maintenance, and a little bit of love. And in return, it becomes one of your most trustworthy kitchen allies. If you got value from this video, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Your support helps more than you know. And if you want more guides like this, from cleaning tips to household safety, let me know in the comments. I read every one of them. Until next time, take care of your home, and it will take care of you.